To create dynamic depth using a mirror mask animation in CapCut for PC, start by dragging your video onto the timeline and duplicating it to the track above. Select the bottom clip, go to Adjust, and set saturation to -50. Click the top layer, go to Video Mask, add the Filmstrip mask, set it to 75 degrees, and move it to the left side. At the beginning of the clip, add a mask settings keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few seconds and drag the mask to the right side. Duplicate the top layer again and place it on the highest track. Select the middle layer, go to Adjust, and modify the values to turn the entire video black. Then go to Video Mask, increase the mask size, and add some feathering. Finally, select the bottom original video, go to Video Mask, add the Filmstrip mask again, and adjust its size as needed.